Thank you for coming to this year's Primetime Emmy Award show. For the winner of the Best Actor and Best Actress in a Drama Series, we have an old man and a young woman? This is the data of the winners of the Best Actor and Actress in a Drama Series from the year 1980 to 1920. The x-axis is the age of the winner, and the y-axis is how many people won an Emmy for Best Actor or Best Actress in a drama series when they were that age. The blue bars are the male winners, and the purple bars are the female winners. This means that there are 40 male winners and 40 female winners in total. From looking at this graph, it seems as though as we go more to the right on the x-axis, which again is the age, it looks like we have more blue bars and less purple bars than on the left side of the x-axis. So it looks like most of the time the male winner is older than the female winner. This begs the question, are men that win an Emmy for Best Actor in a drama series consistently more older than women that win an Emmy for Best Actor in a drama series, and is this finding consistent over time? Let's do some more analysis of this data to see if this is in fact the case. First, we look at a box plot. The x-axis shows us the age of the winners, and the y-axis doesn't show us anything. It is irrelevant. The main thing you should know about a box plot is that it shows us where the data lies in relation to the other data points. Now we're going to take a look at the specifics of what this box plot can show us. Firstly, it shows us the minimum, the lowest point of the data, right here for the females and right here for the males. The minimum age of a male winner is 9 years older than the minimum age of the female winner. Similarly, the oldest male winner is 3 years older than the oldest female winner. But it is very important to note that the two eldest female winners are outliers, as represented by these little circles. An outlier means that it is unusual compared to the other female winners to be that old and win an Emmy in this category. But for the male max, it is not unusual to be this old and win. Another thing this box plot shows us is that the average male, as shown in this line right here and this line right here in the middle of the rectangle in the middle, the average male the average is important because it tells us that if we picked another winner for the next year, their age should be pretty close to this value. The male average is 7 years older than the female average. The last thing I want you to see from this box plot is the middle 50% of the data, which is shown by this rectangle here and this rectangle here. This means that half the female winners were between 36 and 45 years old, and half the male winners were between 42 and 53 years old. The rest of the male winners or the female winners were on either sides of the middle area. You can see from this box plot that in everything we analyzed, it indicated that the male age was bigger than the female age for the winner. This doesn't mean that every single year the male winner was older than the female winner, but that does mean in general this is what usually happens, that the male winner is older than the female winner. The next thing we will look at is a linear model. Every blue dot is a male winner. The blue dot lines up with the year it was won, and for the x-axis, and on the y-axis the age of the winner. For example, this blue dot here was won in 1980 and had an age of around 57 or 56, sorry, 54. The same applies with the purple, but for female winners. You can see that the blue line, which is the linear line of best fit for the males, is always above the purple line, which is the linear line of best fit for the female winners. This means that if you were to throw any random male winner and any random female winner for any year, the man would probably be older than the woman. However, you can see that the male slope is steeper than the female slope because the is greater than the female slope. This is because the blue line is steeper than the purple line. This means that the gap between the male and female winning ages is decreasing, and in the future, perhaps male winners might be the same age or even younger than female winners. So, in conclusion, we know that the majority of female winning ages is below the majority of male winning ages. And this finding is consistent over time, as shown by the box plot, which shows that every piece of information analyzed from the box plot indicates that the males are generally older than the women, and from the linear regression, which shows that the male line of best fit is always above the female line of best fit. But the gap between the ages is getting smaller due to the male line starting above the female line, but the male slope being greater. So they will eventually cross. So this consistency between males consistently being older than women may not last so long. Thank you so much for watching tonight's Emmy Award shows. We hope you learned a lot about the ages of male and female winners for the Best Actor and Best Actress in a Drama Series. Goodbye!